I see you. I see you. Really take this feel. I see you. I see you. No, I'm really just too this feel.
Good morning. It's Saturday. I'm so tired. And I've been up since 7. My body is tricking me because, not tricking me, but it's like playing me because this is the time it's just, I'm so confused. I usually wake up early during the work week, and my body said, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna get up early on the weekends too. And I'm so sleepy. But like I have so much stuff I have to do today, so I have to get up. Like I know I have to get up, but like, because I'm trying to do all my errands today so that I don't have to do anything tomorrow. But I'm so tired. But I do need to get up, shower, wash my face, brush my teeth, blah blah blah. I have to go to the bank, and then I need to go to a bunch of stores because I need to buy work clothes. I don't want to spend my money, but you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. So that's the plan. And I have a nail appointment later today, so I'm actually excited. I made it for 5. I'm actually excited about that. I have to do all my laundry. I don't know if I'm gonna meal prep today. I'll just do that tomorrow. I don't know yet. But yeah, it's gonna be a very chilled, laid back day. Nothing too hectic is going on. Let's see if I can get up. Alright. Woo, I'm sleepy. Oh, I gotta. Give me like 5 minutes. Let me just five more minutes. I'm up, finally up. I'm out of my bed, so we're gonna do a couple things in the house before I leave. Stop looking at me like that. Stop looking at me like that. Alright. I'm trying to get this thing set up and it's not balancing, man. Okay. Okay, so I'm ready and it's time to gazelle. I'm just gonna grab my stuff. and I can shimmy. And I know someone's gonna be like, wow, you're really chewing that gum. Yes, I'm chewing it. Now what? But let me. I need this. I need this. I need this. Hey there. I need. I'm trying to think what I need. Ooh, I should wear my heart-shaped sunglasses. He used to call me DM, 'cause I was deadly nightshade. Something. But filled with beauty and rage. He hit me and it felt like a kiss. Hey, let me make sure I have everything I need. Watch me leave the house to go to the bank without my bank card. Lol. Lol, 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 lol. Lol, 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 lol. Okay, so I just came from the bank and I got everything that I needed to get, well, cash. And so now I'm gonna go to the mall because I need to get work clothes. I have no work clothes. And then I need to go to Marshall's probably or Ross because I need to get a new shower curtain and I need to get a mirror, like a tiny one. And then oh, excuse me. And then I need to get antihistamine because spring is upon us and my allergies are honestly just welling up. They are performing. So yeah, that's all that we're gonna do today. And I'm probably gonna go home and do all my laundry because the ghetto, I never have time to do it during the week. So yeah, let's go to the mall. Let's go to the beach. You know what? Doing too much. Okay, so I just got to the mall. So we're gonna ride out. Hopefully I find everything that I need because if not, that means I have to go to Vieira and that's like 30 minutes away and girl, I'm not trying to do that. Like, I'm not trying to do all of that. So yeah, let's head in. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. I ended up getting all the stuff that I needed at H&M and then I went into Ross to pick up like 2 pairs of shoes. So all the stuff that I went to get was work stuff. I didn't end up getting the other stuff because I'm tired and I'm hungry and I came home to eat because girl, I'm starving. My nail appointment is in, I think, girl, I gotta watch out. It's in like 2 hours and some change. So I'm gonna eat and start, you know, doing the stuff that I needed to do. My hair is not doing what I needed to do today. I actually ran out of hair gel, so I need to go and pick some of that up. Again, I'm trying to remember to look into the camera and not at the screen because I'm not supposed to be doing that. But yeah, I just came home and I changed into something more comfortable because, I mean, denim is cute, but boy, is it uncomfortable. So yeah, see y'all in a bit. I might do like a little mini haul with the stuff that I got for work. I'll probably do that later when I come back because I'm tired. I'm too tired. Okay, so I just got home. I got my nails done. I think she did a really good job. Like, this is definitely, she did a really good job. And I got a pedi. See, I'm about to be showing my ugly ass feet on the internet. But I'm gonna warm up something to eat. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten anything. I had like 4 nuggets today and a shake. So I'm gonna eat some real food and I'm gonna have chips and guac and I'm gonna take my ass to bed because I'm tired. But yeah, that's about it. See yous tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow's Sunday. So I don't know, we'll see. Good morning. It's Sunday, March 10th. We lost an hour, which is why I woke up and I was so confused because it's like I feel tired, but the time says it's 10 in the morning. This is not making any sense to me. So yeah, today I'm just gonna take a shower, not putting my face on because I don't have the energy and I don't have the time. I need to go to, I didn't end up doing everything I meant to do yesterday, so I still need to go to Marshall's. I need to get a little mirror. I need to print a picture for my desk and I need to get a picture frame to put it in. And then I need to get a dry erase marker. And I want to get, so I bought this, I'm all over the place, I apologize. So I got this Meow Organics like curl smoothie. It says for type 4 hair, but it has soft definition. I'm gonna try it out and see how it works on my hair now. But I do like a lot of definition in my curls. That's just my preferred look. So we're gonna see how it works. If it's not really doing a lot for me, I wanna go and purchase the one that has more definition. I forget what it said, but I might have to go back to Target. But I'm gonna take a quick shower. I'll be back to show you guys like my hair, I guess. Why not? Okay, so I'm ready. Like, this is it. My hair is freshly washed. I just like, well, not washed, I conditioned it with the Aussie, like, what the hell is it called? Let me look. Ooh, my allergies. It's the Aussie Mega Moist. This is like the best shampoo I've ever purchased in my entire life. I feel like it's a good alternative to if you don't have money for the Diva Curl product, which I don't. This is like a good alternative. I feel like it really hydrates my hair and I have very dry hair. Like, my hair is always doing the most. Wait, I didn't finish shampooing. I'll be right back. Okay, so the entire just front portion of my head wasn't dry. Like, wasn't washed. I don't know if I forgot. Probably. That's probably what happened. But anyways, my hair is towel / air dried for the most part. So usually what I do first is I take the Aussie. I love Aussie products. Aussie, you should sponsor me. Okay, so I take the Aussie, it's the hair insurance leave-in conditioner. I really like this stuff. It's very easy to use. Kind of just, you know, spray your little hair or whatever. Yeah, just kind of, you know how a spray bottle works. Kind of just spray the ting all over your head. If I'm looking this way, it's because I'm looking at the right in front of me. That is why. So yeah, just kind of spray it. Get a good amount in there. Sort of dripping down my face. And kind of just rub it in a little bit. It smells really good too. Like, that's what I like about Aussie products the most, is they just smell delicious. Like, they smell really good. I'm definitely a fan of hair products that smell nice versus smelling hair-like, if you know what I'm talking about. So, and then I sometimes go in, well, not sometimes, I usually go in with the Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture, even though they're super canceled, you know. Their stuff is amazeballs for my hair, so can't stop, won't stop, you feel me? And I just take that through my hair, just kind of just massage it in, you know, as much as is possible, just so my hair isn't like super white. I just massage it. I'm sorry I'm sniffing, y'all. My allergies are just doing a lot right now. And since it's spring and that. Okay, so just keep massaging it in, rake it through, kind of get it all the way to the roots. There's not a lot of root to tip of my hair. It's very short, but still, like, I feel like this makes a big, let me blow my nose because I'm making myself upset. BRB, all know BRB, but you know, give me 1 second. I just need to blow my nose because goddamn, this sniffing. No more sniffles. Thank goodness. Okay, so once I've massaged that in, let it sit for a minute, let it do what it does. Now we're gonna try, usually I used to go in with the Kinky Curly, I think it's the custard. It comes in like a clear container and it has pink writing on it. I used to use that, love it. Absolutely adore it. It's the best thing. But I just wanted to try something different and see how it works. I'm definitely team experimenting with hair products because it's not like I have long hair anyways, and I'm like, oh my god, my hair needs to, my hair is short. It's not gonna be the end of the world. Why is this thing not opening? Hello. Hey, what's going on? Is this thing broken? Because that's gonna be super disappointing. I'm pretty sure I'm twisting this the right way, aren't I? Yeah, open. It's supposed to pop up. You've got to be kidding me. Am I doing this right? Getting hair products over this way. Let me make sure I'm opening this the correct way. Okay. Let's keep on going. This is not right. I'm trying to open this. I don't know if I'm just being dumb or if this thing is truly broken. This is so annoying. Oh my god. Am I the one who's doing something wrong? Open is this way, right? Am I supposed to push it down and no? What the? I will be right back. I need to consult my mother. Ma. Mommy. This is fake news. Because I was doing that for the last 10 minutes and it wasn't working. It wasn't working. It's working now. I don't know how she did it. Because I've been doing this for the last how many minutes? Fake news, y'all. Anyways. Okay, so it comes out white like that. I'm not sure. I did not read the instructions on how to use this. Lol. Define curls, temple, child, hair, divide. It says divide hair into sections. I don't have enough hair to divide into sections, so my hair is not long enough to do that, honey. So we're just gonna pump and rub it in. Ooh, this smells so good. This smells really delicious. So let me see.
I see ya. Really pick this feeling. I see ya. I see ya. No, I'm really just too this feeling.
Into my room. Ooh, this lighting is bad. Honey. Ooh, there we go. I was like, I'm looking real blue, sis. Real blue. Ooh, it was such a sunny day and now it's all dark and gloomy. My hair looks healthy though. I don't know whether to put you down. Why am I that close? Sorry, with my ashy. Do I have hair product on my ear? Yes, I do. Anyways, I'm gonna put y'all down for a second because I need to do a bunch of stuff. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm finished. I'm about to leave the house now. I'm gonna go to Marshall's first. Hopefully I find everything I need in there. I don't have to go anywhere else because, to be quite honest, I'm not in the mood to be driving up and downtown, but gotta do what we gotta do. So see y'all in a little bit.
No, I'm really just too this feeling. I see ya. I see ya. Really pick this feeling. I see ya. I see ya. No, I'm really just too this feeling. I see ya. I see ya. Really pick this feeling. I see ya.
home. I went to Walmart already. I think I'm just gonna end it here because I have a bunch of stuff that I need to do and I'm not gonna have the time. You definitely see my neighbor's house. Whatever. But yeah, actually, let me not do this.
It's